Petroleum product prices will rise again starting tomorrow, still due to the ongoing unrest in the Middle East. According to Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, the reason cited for the repeat increase in diesel and crude prices is the slowdown in diplomatic developments between the United States and Iran, which is causing uncertainty in global market pricing, particularly the means of Platts Singapore or MOPS, as well as the weakening of the peso against the US dollar.
Ang presyo po natin taas ng tataas, minsan bababa in a matter of 1 week. It really depends on how the negotiations in the Middle East conflict happen, kung saan siya papunta. Kung may mangyari doon, it's reflected in the international market and automatically it gets reflected in our pump prices.
In the latest forecast of the Department of Energy, an increase of 2 pesos and 49 centavos is expected for the price of gasoline per liter, while 3 pesos and 84 centavos is expected for diesel per liter, and 5 pesos and 1 centavo is the expected additional charge per liter of kerosene. According to Energy Undersecretary Alessandro Sales, there is no certainty as to how long the series of fluctuations in petroleum product prices will continue, but the official assured that a 20 peso per liter spike in petroleum product prices is unlikely to happen again.
Nobody knows how long they will drop this out. Pero at the end of the day, the markets will adjust. The markets, I think, have begun to adjust. So siguro, we will be remaining in an elevated price scenario. Kita natin malalaking talon na 20 pesos, 25 pesos, mukhang malabo nang mangyari yan. Pero yung volatility from week to week, nandyan pa rin po yan.
Meanwhile, the government subsidy distributed to PUV drivers under the Uplift program has reached nearly 500 million pesos, and nearly 100,000 PUV drivers have benefited from the program. Gab Humilde Villegas, for The Nation.